Today, we're diving into the future of smartphones with the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Before we begin, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech updates. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra has set a high bar in the smartphone world, but we're always looking ahead. So, what can we expect from the Galaxy S25 Ultra, rumored to be released in 2025? Let's start with the design. The S24 Ultra, while not ugly, hasn't evolved much from its predecessors like the S21 Ultra. We're hoping for some fresh, innovative changes in the S25 Ultra. Given Samsung's creativity with the Galaxy Z Fold series, there's a real chance for some exciting design updates in 2025. Next up, let's talk about performance. Remember when Samsung offered a hopping 16 gigs of RAM in the S20 and S21 Ultra? It's time for that to make a comeback, especially considering the premium price of these phones. With smartphones becoming more advanced, having that extra RAM is crucial, not just for now, but for future-proofing your device. Speaking of price, the S24 Ultra starts at a steep $1,299.95, and that's without expandable storage. While we don't expect a price drop, we hope Samsung keeps it steady, especially with more affordable competitors out there. Even Samsung's own Galaxy S24 Plus, priced at $999, offers a similar feature set, making it a tempting alternative. Now the S Pen. The integration of the S Pen with the S24 Ultra was a brilliant move. This feature not only adds versatility, but also infuses some of the Galaxy Note spirit into the device. The S24 Ultra's circle-to-search AI-powered feature is a glimpse into potential future enhancements. We're eager to see how Samsung continues to innovate with the S Pen. It's important to keep adding value to the S Pen, ensuring it remains a key feature beyond the initial excitement. Camera capabilities have always been a strong point for Samsung. The shift from a 10x optical zoom to a 5x on the S24 Ultra sparked some debate. We're hoping the S25 Ultra brings back the 10x zoom, potentially with an improved sensor. Rumors suggest a new camera system that could allow switching between zoom lengths, making room for the return of the 10x zoom. Fingers crossed. So are you excited for the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra? That wraps up our thoughts for today. Share your thoughts in the comments below, and as always, see you in our next video. Peace out. As we all know, the Samsung Galaxy A55 5G is releasing, so let's talk about it. If you have already watched this video, you can skip this part. The much-anticipated Galaxy A55 is on the horizon, and we have got all the details you need. Samsung's Galaxy A50 series has been a standout in the smartphone market, particularly for its impressive features at an attractive price point. Following the success of the Galaxy A54, Samsung is gearing up for the release of its successor, the Galaxy A55. Let's delve into everything we currently know about this eagerly awaited device. Going by historical patterns, Samsung typically unveils its Galaxy A series phones towards the end of the first quarter, so we can anticipate the Galaxy F55 to hit the stage around March 2024, following the release schedule of its predecessors. Shifting gears to variants and pricing, Bluetooth side data hints at three Galaxy A55 models: SMA556B, SMA556E, and SMA556E_DS. The SMA556B seems tailored for Europe, while the others may target Asian markets. While exact pricing details are scarce if we consider past generations, the Galaxy F54 at £449/$449, the Galaxy F53 at £399/$449, and the Galaxy F52 at £399/$499. It's reasonable to expect the Galaxy A55 to stay below the £500/$500 mark. Design. Leaked renders showcase the Galaxy A55 in three captivating colors: awesome ice blue, awesome lilac, and awesome navy. Inspired by the A54, it features the key island design with a subtly raised frame around the power and volume keys, confirming a sleek metal build. The phone has rounded corners, a protruding rear camera array, and a flat display with a noticeable bezel and a punch hole for the selfie camera. Expected dimensions: 161.1 x 77.3, 8.2 millimeters, 6.3 x 3.0, 0.32 inches. Display. Now, turning our attention to the display. While exact details on the Galaxy A55's display specs remain uncertain, if Samsung continues with the A54's display, users can expect satisfaction. Speculations point towards a 6.5-inch flat display featuring a centered Infinity O front camera. Anticipated specifications include full HD+ resolution and a refresh rate of up to 120 Hz. Given the A54's impressive display, any enhancements in this area will surely elevate the overall user experience. Performance. Now, let's talk about performance. The Galaxy S25 continues the series evolution, moving from the criticized Exynos 1280 to the improved Exynos 1380 in the A54. Now, it's rumored to feature the latest Exynos 1480, a promising upgrade. According to Geekbench 6 results, this new SoC is expected to be paired with an unconventional GPU choice, the Eclipse 530 based on AMD's RDNA2 architecture. While the CPU improvements may not be groundbreaking, the shift in GPU could potentially enable the A55 to support ray tracing in games, although this feature is yet to be confirmed. The A55 prototype scored 1127 in the single-core test and 3090 in the multi-core test, surpassing the A54 by a slight margin. The device is expected to retain 8 GB of RAM, maintaining a balance between performance and efficiency. Cameras. Shifting our focus to the camera setup, rumors suggest that the Galaxy S55 might not bring significant changes in this department. The Galaxy Club report suggests no major changes, but that's not necessarily bad news. The A54 delivered impressive photos for its price. While the rear camera setup seems consistent, unfortunately, there's no news on any front camera updates. If the leaks are accurate, the Galaxy S55 might continue to use the same 32-megapixel front camera sensor as its predecessor, the Galaxy S54. While the A54's front camera delivers decent performance, some users may have hoped for an upgrade given the iterative nature of smartphone releases. Battery and charging. Now onto the Galaxy A55's battery and charging. TÜV Rheinland certification reveals 25 VLU fast charging with 9V and 2.55 as support. The 3C certification reinforces Samsung's dedication to fast charging in mid-range phones. While exact battery details are limited, we anticipate reliable 5,000 mAh cell for extended usage. Network and connectivity. Moving on to network and connectivity, the Bluetooth SIG certification reveals that the Galaxy S55 will sport Bluetooth 5.3, matching the capabilities of its predecessor, the A54. Consistent connectivity ensures a smooth user experience, especially with wireless accessories. Software. Last but certainly not least, let's talk about the software. The Galaxy S55 is gearing up for launch with Android 14 and Samsung's One UI 6, promising a seamless and user-friendly experience. This combo suggests exciting enhancements to Samsung's ecosystem. Plus, users can anticipate robust software support with the possibility of receiving 4 major Android updates throughout the device's lifespan. Stay tuned for those latest Android advancements.